To download Golf application on your Apple Watch, you will have to start by opening All App screen and go into the App Store. Over here, you will have to go for the search, use your keyboard or voice typing, Golf. Click on the search in the right upper corner, and now we can find all results for all available Golf applications. So if you want to get, for example, this one, you will have to click on the Get button. And after that, after like few moments, this application will be on your watch. Now, as you can see, we have to double click on the side button to confirm. And in this case, we have to also enter our passcode. Now it just starts processing. Just be patient and wait a little bit. This is the short preview how this application looks. And now after installation is finished, you can find this application in your app screen. In this case, I will get this over here. I've got alphabetic order, but if you have this grid view, then it will be available just in the different places. So yeah, that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.